how to remove an old radiator in 1 minute. Open the front, remove plastic thing, undo the latch, take two brackets off, jack the car up, open the boot, take off radiator cap. On the underside of the radiator, undo this into a bucket. Undo bleed nut on coolant neck near thermostat. Do top bleed valve. Watch it drain down. Unscrew, unscrew, and drop the fan down. Take the fans out, put fans to one side. Undo the clip on coolant hose. Take the two rubber hoses off of the radiator. Unplug the temp sensor. Let the old radiator down. Now, take old radiator out. Now that you've got the room, now's the perfect time to stick some aluminium mesh to protect the front of your new radiator. Kind of like so. Take off old temp sensor. Now wait for new rad to be delivered.